Hello and welcome back for another Quant price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the Quant chart and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Quant is holding above a key area of support at around the $106.5 mark, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. And you can see that the moment we manage to break above it, we try to get a successful retest, and the retest now seems to be a success, and there are high chances that Quant is going to continue gearing up to our next key area of resistance at around the $110.9 mark. And the moment we manage to break above that, watch out for another successful retest before we can continue gearing up, and a break above the $110.9 mark could help Quant continue gearing up to the area at around the $117.5 mark. Quant has also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, and zooming out on the charts to give you my Elliot wave count here on the Quant chart, you can see that after seeing our bear market low at around the $40.1 mark, we saw a 5-wave structure to the upside, having the wave 5 giving us a high at around the $229 mark, completing the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 1. And after seeing the high for that first wave, we started a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, where we have been breaking down in this ABC corrective structure into the minimum target area highlighted on the charts using this red target area, which is the area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78. And there are high chances that we might have a low in place for the second wave at around the $94.3 mark, and Quant is now ready for a massive pump in the formation of that wave 3. And if that is the case, and we continue gearing up and also see a break above significant highs here on the charts, then I can also give you minimum target areas for the wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $398 mark, and that is the minimum that you can expect Quant to do in the formation of that wave 3. And for that move to play out, I'm expecting Quant to first give us a complete 5-wave structure here on the charts. And once we see a complete 5-wave structure followed by an ABC corrective structure before we can continue gearing up and also see a break above significant highs, then that will be enough confirmation that the low for the second wave is in, and the start of an impulse in that wave 3 has now started. So that is what I'm watching out here on the Quant chart. Alternatively, in case we are unable to break above resistances, maybe continue seeing further breakdown, then I still have the scenario where we can still expect Quant to get a bit of a breakdown move back into this red target area, fully maximize the target area, and maybe give us a low between the 80 point something dollar Quant before we can start gearing up in the formation of that wave 3. That is still a possibility, but as long as we are holding key areas of supports and resistances, I think there's no reason for us to still focus on a breakdown. I think it's better if we continue focusing to the upper side, since we are holding above resistances and since we are also showing some momentum to continue gearing up. So that is what I'm expecting here on the Quant chart. Also taking a look at the indicators, on the RSI, we are trading at around the 54 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you updated.